All right, guys, just wrapped up this 2024 2500 HD. It's got the 5-inch BDS lift on it, Fox 2.0 shocks. It's got the 37 1350 20 Nitto trail graps. Running factory wheels on this setup. With a factory wheel, you will have to run a wheel spacer. We're using 1.5 inch wheel spacers. With this, you're going to need some minor trimming to the inside of your fender liner here, corner of your bumper and your valence to here, and then either do a mud flap delete or open up your fender flare so the tire has room to swing into it. You can see this kit has really good angles. Got the Fox 2.0 shocks up there. This kit also uses a 3-piece skid plate design to protect the differential. Use a factory arm on this kit. It does come with new brake lines as well. They're braided steel. The upper arms are optional. They're not really required at the 5-inch height, but if you go with the 6.5 inch height, you do want to add the upper control arms. This is a non-torsion drop kit. You're going to see your non-torsion drop bracket here. That's just going to keep your torsion bars up in the factory frame rails. A little more ground clearance, and looks a little nicer. Got the Fox 2.0 in the rear. You've got your 4.5 inch rear block. You don't need a bump stop extension on this particular kit, as it has the mount that sticks off the side of the block to engage the bump stop. And you've also got a couple brake line brackets. All right, guys, that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.